capture stories that were told. Ron holds the laughter, echoes still near. Ian whispers secrets, wishing you were here. We carry your light through every storm. Three sons united, we'll stand strong and proud. In our hearts forever, we'll shout it loud. Through trials and sorrows, we rise above. Together we'll honor the bond of our love. James plays the music, strumming his heart. Ron paints the skies where dreams never part. Ian writes letters to the stars above. And ever we were